What are the environmental issues in Antarctica? Have you ever wondered about the challenges facing Antarctica? This remote continent is not just a land of ice. It is a place where environmental issues are becoming increasingly urgent. Let's take a closer look at what is happening there, especially in relation to Russia and the Antarctic Treaty System. Antarctica is experiencing significant climate change. The continent is warming faster than many other places on Earth. For example, the Antarctic Peninsula has seen temperature increases of over 5 degrees Fahrenheit since the 1970s. This warming leads to the melting of ice shelves and glaciers, which contributes to rising sea levels. By the year 2100, Antarctica could add up to 28 centimeters to global sea levels. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica plays a critical role in this situation. It absorbs a large amount of the excess heat and carbon dioxide produced by human activities. While this helps slow down global warming, it also warms and acidifies the ocean waters. These changes can harm marine life, particularly species like krill, which are essential to the Antarctic food web. If krill populations decline, it can have serious effects on larger animals like penguins and whales. Speaking of penguins, many populations are declining across Antarctica. Several colonies on the Antarctic Peninsula have disappeared since the 1980s. This decline is mainly due to habitat loss and changes in food availability caused by climate change. As ice melts and ocean conditions shift, penguins find it harder to locate food and successfully breed. Another issue is the greening of Antarctica. As temperatures rise and ice melts, more land becomes exposed. This allows plants like the Antarctic pearlwort to spread. While this may sound positive, it can disrupt local ecosystems and make it easier for non-native species to settle in. These new species often arrive through human activities, such as tourism or research. The extent of sea ice around Antarctica has also changed dramatically. Recent years have recorded some of the lowest summer minimum ice extents. Although there is variability from year to year, the trend since 2016 has been toward lower ice extents. This change affects wildlife that relies on sea ice for breeding and feeding. It can also impact global weather patterns. Human activities, including scientific research and tourism, add further pressure on the environment. Operations like aviation and shipping can introduce pollutants and disturb wildlife. The Antarctic Treaty System, which includes agreements among countries like Russia, aims to minimize these impacts. It regulates activities and promotes environmental protection. From a political and legal perspective, managing these environmental issues requires cooperation among nations. The Antarctic Treaty System provides a framework for addressing challenges such as climate change and pollution. Countries involved must balance their scientific and economic interests with the need to protect Antarctica's unique environment. Practical measures include conducting environmental impact assessments for all activities, monitoring wildlife and ecosystems, and sharing scientific data to inform policy decisions. These steps help ensure that Antarctica remains a place for peaceful scientific research and environmental conservation, even as global pressures increase.